just as a preview, I made a mod for my Xbox while I'm waiting for my parts to arrive. Yeah, it's ugly. I didn't want it to turn out that way. I put 3 holes right here for ventilation. And I painted this black so it has some nice contrast. Dremel tool really did some ugly work though. I didn't like it. So, this is the Xbox, like the last, like, this is strange. It has an HDMI port, but it has the white tray cover. Weird. I swapped the heat sinks from our, our Red Ring of Death Xbox into this one that I traded for a broken iPod. It's a broken Xbox. And, so I have this one thing right here. And another thing came off the old Xbox, which was that this little metal piece right here has this whole grid thing. So I thought, about 2 hours, we're to put a fan, because this thing's blocking it here. And I figured, why don't I put a fan here? So I started looking around at some fans and some nice 12-volt outputs, and I couldn't really find any. So I figured that putting a nice vent through here and getting some tail zoom fans, obviously those are tail zoom, that would look good. Fan would look, all fan mods I've seen here just look freaking ugly. I just decided to cut 3 holes here, and that obviously didn't go out the way I planned, but it still looks kind of nice because I primered and painted this black here. So I'll get more into depth on that when I fix the rest of my Xbox. It looks nice though. Well, the contrast does, but if I can get the side cover off. You kind of have to break the side cover away from the metal sheet to do this. Otherwise you'll just end up with this ugly gray thing, or you'll end up with holes in all of it. Anyway, you can clearly see the heatsink through here, so hopefully it'll pull some air in here and cool the graphics chip better.